Hi everybody, welcome to Edmation. Today I'm going to show you broccoli sprouting. I've been doing this for several months now. I still keep it up. I really enjoy it. It's very healthy. You can use mason jars. However, I purchased this for about $20 and it lets you do 4 different levels. And today I'm going to harvest the one that's ready. Just to show you that. Comes out really easy. They're really tasty. We typically put them in our salad. It doesn't get everything, but mostly everything. And these are some different day progressions here, as you can see. I'm going to show you some pictures of what I've already done. Okay, so to save you some time, I've pre-washed this out after I had emptied the broccoli sprouts into it. And so what I'm going to do is I typically just take this and I put 1 teaspoon of seeds into it. I only have the half a teaspoon right now. So I'm going to do that one twice. And you can just use a spoon or whatever works. Now I spread it evenly. However, to be honest, once you pour the water in, a lot of times it goes ahead and bundles it together. And so you can kind of separate that as the days go on. For this bundle here, this is day 6. I could have harvested it yesterday on day 5. And just depending on how it goes, maybe temperature variations, different things, it could even be maybe 4 days, but it's probably more like a 5-day turnaround on that. But when you have 4 different ones, it comes out pretty easy. Now, after you add the seeds here, just put it on there, and it's got a little top here. And make sure after you harvest them, rinse them out good, and even, maybe wash them a little bit with soap and water, at least every so often. And I've just got 2 cups of water, and that'll fill up this little top piece here, and the bottom will hold that same amount. And basically all you got to do is pour that in, and it's got little tiny holes, and it just kind of dribbles down all the way through each section here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down to the bottom. And if you do this, I try to do it 3 times a day. If you do it 3 times a day, I think it does help it harvest better and quicker, and you don't have to do it immediately like you see it. I just kind of keep it in there. Like anything where it's fresh like this, you don't want to let it sit around too long. However, this is really all there is to it. And then, as you've seen, when it's ready, you pull that out, and they're really pretty tasty and super healthy. So that should end that. I do hope you enjoyed it. Remember to click like and subscribe if you would. I would sure appreciate it. Other than that, if you got any comments or anything else you'd like to see, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.